Hello, today we will guide you through how to order layers in CapCut. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to place videos or images on top of one another in CapCut so you can control which layer appears above the others. This is useful when you're creating overlays, picture-in-picture effects, or simply organizing multiple clips in a cleaner way on your timeline. To begin, open the CapCut app and go to your editing workspace. Once you're inside your project, you'll be working mainly in the timeline area, since that's where the layer order is managed. If you're new to CapCut, just remember that clips placed higher in the timeline usually appear above clips placed lower down. Next, drag your sample video onto the timeline. This first clip will act as your base layer. Think of it as the background or foundation of your edit. Once it's in place, you should be able to see it sitting on the main timeline track. It helps to position this clip first so you have a clear starting point before adding anything on top of it. After that, drag the sample video onto the timeline again, but this time place it above the first video. This creates a second layer. By placing it higher than the original clip, you're telling CapCut that this layer should sit on top visually. If the upper clip covers the one below, that's expected behavior and shows that the layer order is working correctly. Then, if you want to keep building your composition, drag another sample picture or video above the second layer. This adds a third layer, and you can continue this same process if you want to include more media. Each new item placed above the previous one becomes the new top layer in your stack. This is the basic idea behind ordering layers in CapCut. As you do this, it's a good idea to keep your timeline neat and make sure each clip is placed exactly where you want it. If something doesn't appear as expected, check whether the clip is on the correct layer and whether it's positioned above or below the other media. That's all it takes to order layers in CapCut. Once you understand that higher layers appear above lower ones, arranging your videos and images becomes much easier. With a little practice, you'll be able to build more polished and creative edits directly in the timeline.